Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the Ps4 has enough battery and your phone's Bluetooth screen is open. This speeds discovery and prevents drops. Press and hold the share and PS buttons together until the light bar flashes quickly. This puts the controller into pairing mode so the phone can see it. Once done, keep the controller near the phone and avoid other Bluetooth devices. This step is about establishing a clear connection path, which reduces pairing errors and short reconnection times. You now tap the listing labeled Wireless Controller in your phone's Bluetooth device list. Phones typically show it right away. If the phone asks for confirmation, accept it. There's usually no PIN required. Once paired, the controller's light will change and the phone shows connected. Test the analog sticks and buttons in any controller test area or game to confirm. Make sure to close other Bluetooth menus and avoid opening heavy apps during this handshake, because interruptions can drop the new connection. Finish by enabling controller support in each game or install a trusted mapping app so inputs match expected controls. This is why some buttons may feel different at first. If pairing fails, unpair the device from Bluetooth, reboot your phone, and repeat the share plus PS pairing. This clears cache issues. If you notice lag, it's usually radio interference. Try switching Wi-Fi bands, moving away from crowded Bluetooth areas, or repairing to improve responsiveness and reduce input delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.